Okay, let's continue. So, ako na siya i-recall ang last na mention or discuss. So, again, we have a special angles. Again, when we say supplementary angles, duha siya ka two adjacent angles na kung ato siyang i-add is mag-equal siya to 180 degrees. And then we have a complementary angles. So, duha siya ka angles na kung ato siyang i-add up is equal to 90 degrees. And adjacent angle is duha siya ka angles that are next to each other. So, para mas makuan siya, si adjacent angle is duha ka angle na nagsunod. And vertical angles, two angles across from each other formed by two intersecting lines. So, mo siya ang gitawag na vertical angles, nag-intersect ang duha ka line, pero ang measurement nila is always equal. So, kung for example, kung kani siya is 35 degrees, automatic ang kaatnong pod niya is 35 degrees. Again, supplementary angles 180 degrees, complementary angles 90 degrees. Okay, let's continue with the last part, or the polygons. So, when we say polygons, it is a closed figure, straight sides, no curves, no overlapping. So, mo na siya ang polygons. Mo na siya ang pag-illustrate unsa ang polygon. So, we have a types of polygons. The first one is the concave polygons. So, when we say concave polygons, a concave polygon contains at least one angle that is greater than or equal to 180 degrees. So, mo na siya ang concave angles. Like more than 180 degrees ang iyahang measurement. Or isa ka angle man lang ang 180 degrees. And the next, convex polygon. So, a polygon is convex if each vertex lies in the interior of the opposite angle. So, mo siya gingon na convex angle na kung may vertex mo na siya ang point na siya sa polygon ka na siya. Mo na siya ang vertex na. A vertex lie in the interior of the opposite angle. Kana siya ang interior angle. So, again, convex polygon is if each vertex lies in the interior of the opposite angle. Muna siya ang convex. So, we have now the types of polygons according to the side. So, this will be the last part. So, we have polygon. So, first polygon is triangle. So, for the description, three-sided figure. And then, kung iyahang interior angles is the measure is 180 degrees. So, muna siya ang illustration sa usa ka triangle. Na siya tulo siya ka side, and also tulo po na siya ka angle. Muna siya ni mabantayan pag polygon or triangle. Tulogin na siya ka side, and also their angle is also 3 angles. Again, triangle is the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees. So, iyang sum diya sa sulod is 180 degrees. Next, quadrilateral. So, when we say quadrilateral, four-sided figure, sum of interior angles is 360. So, muna siya ang quadrilateral. Muna siya ang figure. And then again, na siya four side, and also it has four angles. Next, pentagon. Five-sided figure, sum of interior angles is 540 degrees. So, this is the illustration of pentagon. Next, hexagon. Six-sided, sum of interior angles is 720 degrees. So, this is an illustration of hexagon. Na siya unum ka sides. Next, we have the heptagon. Seven-sided figure, sum of interior angles is 900 degrees. So, this is an figure of or illustration of an heptagon. Next, octagon. Eight-sided figure, sum of interior angles is 1080 degrees. So, ano siya ang octagon? Next, nonagon. Nine-sided figure, sum of the interior angles is 1260 degrees. Here siya ay walay figure si nonagon as long as si nonagon is na siya 9 ka side. Nana ko siya kung ano na siya 9 ka side. Imagine na 1, 2, 3. Di siya nga na ma-form jud. As long as nakuha ninyo ang 9 side si nonagon. Next, we have decagon. 10 side polygons, sum of interior angles is 1440 degrees. Mo siya ang decagon. Next, andecagon. Andecagon. 11-sided polygon, sum of interior angles is 1620 degrees. So again, 11-sided yun siya si decagon. Next, dodecagon, 12-sided polygon. Sum of the interior angles is 1080 degrees. So, muna siya ang dodecagon. So, muna siya ang types of polygons according sa ilahang side. So, that's it for our lesson 2 this week. So, for this continuation, we'll discuss it next week, which is more on solving decided or degrees of a polygon. So, in this part, it's mas better siya if ma-familiarize na to ang sum of interior angles each polygon. Mas better din siya. So, that's it for our lesson 2 again. So, any questions, clarifications, or any kalibugan or reaction, just message our group chat. And then, dito na lang ta mag-hisgot kung asang bunag libon. Thank you everyone and God bless us all.